Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix there was a problem resetting your PC. All right, let's begin. If you see an error while resetting your Windows computer, there are a few fixes you can try. First, open the Start menu, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and run it as administrator. In the command window, type reagent C /disable and press Enter. Wait until you see the message saying the operation was successful. After that, type reagent C /enable and press Enter. This step alone fixes the issue in many cases. If the problem continues, type SFC /scan now and press Enter. This will scan your system for corrupted files and repair them automatically. Wait until the scan reaches 100%. Next, type DISM /online cleanup-image /restore health and press Enter. Allow the process to finish, then close Command Prompt and restart your computer. If resetting still fails, open Settings, go to System, select Recovery, and restart using Advanced Startup. Choose Troubleshoot, open Advanced Options, and run Startup Repair. If needed, select Reset this PC and choose Keep your files. So that's basically how you can fix there was a problem resetting your PC. That's it for this video. Thanks.